guys, I want to welcome you back to the mill. Today's video is going to be about the messy side of sawmilling. If you can see here, I just walked over a pile of bark, wood chips, just various stuff that falls off logs. There's dirt, gravel, everything mixed in with it. Even though our mill has a vacuum system on it, all this falls off your logs, especially older logs where the bark's coming away from the log. It's going to hit the ground. Every couple of weeks we have to fold the mill up, pull it out, clean all this mess up off the floor, and get back to a clean work environment. The way we move our mill here, since it's coming in and out of the building, I like to use our tractor with a ball hook. And let me show you what we've modified here. At the bottom. What we got is a 2-inch ball. Instead of hooking it to the truck or four-wheeler or whatever, we got a hole in our forks to where we can just hook it to the tractor. There you go. A little modification makes it real simple for getting the mill in and out of the building. Yeah, you're not going to pull it far, but we're not going to pull it far. Okay guys, before we can get this sawmill out of here, you gotta get it folded up. Put a WoodMizer in travel mode. You gotta raise the lift arms. After those are raised, you raise the log arms all the way up till your claw fully extends. Okay. Matthew's going to hook the chain to the claw, and I'm going to lift the supporting legs. Okay, now we got to lift up all the standards and put the saw head back on its travel pin, and it'll be ready to move. Matthew's got one up. Okay. Now we need to set the saw head back down on that little pin, and it'll be safe to travel. It can be just a little tedious at times, especially one-handed holding the camera. There we go. Turn the mill back off. It is currently in what we call its travel configuration. The rear legs are up, the loading arms are up, the mill is sitting down on its travel pin. Matthew's got two more legs to lift, and we'll slide it out of here. That's what happens. You leave it in here too long, it gets covered up. Okay. All we do now is hook the ball to it on the tractor and move it out. Come on. There you go. Now you got it. Too much stuff caught up here. Some of it out. What happens when you leave it way too long? Try it now. Okay guys, now comes the fun part of the messy side of sawmilling. We get to take these big old shovels and shovel all this mess into the bin and put it on the burn pile. The reason it's bad today is we saw a lot of white pine over the last few weeks, and white pine's the worst. Once it's down a month or two, you put it on the mill and the bark just starts falling off of it, and it don't go out with the slab. It ends up laying here on the floor, and we do what we're doing today. Pick it up. So here we go. Yeah. Never know what you find in your scrap pile. That's a drive belt that blade jumped off and got in the drive belt and just chewed it up. Okay guys, that's the first load. Normally I don't have more than a load, but we had a mess. There's still a mess laying here. Matthew's gonna take this load, dump it. I'm gonna hook the chains to our little mobile trash can here so he can turn it up, dump it. If you're running a sawmill, you're going to have somewhere to deal with your byproduct. Slabs, your trimming, all your waste comes off the mill. So up here on top of the hill, we got a burn hole. Nice rainy day, we'll take care of it. Okay, Matthew's back with the trash container for load number 2. Here we go. As you can see now, the shop is much cleaner. Now, granted, we're not going for 100% here, okay? The first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna make a mess of it, but you gotta stop and clean up. One little tech tip for you here. You guys are running a sawmill. We're not sponsored by Milwaukee, but I'd highly recommend their leaf blower and any of their other tools. It's handy to have around, keep the mill blowed off while you're sawing. Here comes Matthew back in with our trash bucket. That's gonna do it for today. Thanks for watching our channel. If you would, we'd appreciate it if you'd subscribe and like and comment on our videos, and we'll keep them coming to you. This is the messy side of sawmilling. Have a good day, guys.